Good morning to all my beautiful subscribers out there watching this channel. The birds are 39 weeks. Yes, guys. Laying lots of eggs. Keep subscribing for more. Yes, keep subscribing. And let this channel grow to 1,000 subscribers. Let's grow this channel together. I know I have about 5,000 person viewing. All of you guys watch this channel, keep subscribing. Subscribe for more. Let's grow this channel together. And let's get 1,000 subscribers so I can post live videos to you guys. So let's grow this channel together. If you want to donate anything, let us know. I want to start my own archery soon. By then next year or maybe this year and start my own archery. Guys, keep a like and subscribe to this channel, guys. Be a part of it. Make sure after you watch, comment something below, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. God bless you guys. Always keep watching for more videos and updates. Make sure you subscribe so you see more videos out. Love you. Always keep subscribing to this channel. Some of them about to lay some eggs. Love you guys.